Are you losing weight and now all of your clothes are kind of big and baggy on you? Congratulations on losing the pounds, but you've still got a few sizes to go, so you're not ready to buy a whole new wardrobe. And do you ever kind of look in the mirror and think, this frumpy frock would look so amazing on me if just that much fabric was taken in? Right? You want to kind of show off your new sexy figure as you're losing the weight, but it's just not in the budget yet to buy all new clothes. Hi, well, I'm Shelly. I am the creator of Cinch It. And through this little fashion fix that I developed, Cinch It is simply a little fashion accessory that allows you to enhance the fit and style of your garment. And when your clothes fit better, let's face it, you feel better, you look sexy, and now you're more confident to go out in the world. I help women like you to do exactly that. When you are confident, you touch the lives of every person when you feel great about yourself. I know as a mom of 4 kids, especially after I started losing the weight after the 4th pregnancy, I was starting to feel good about myself, but I didn't want to go out and buy a new size as I was on my ideal path to my ideal size. So I looked and I couldn't find anything out there, but I was using hair bands and safety pins. I certainly didn't want to sew all those old garments. So there wasn't anything out there. So I decided to invent something that I need, and that is Cinch It. And today I want to show you just a quick tip how you can take even a thicker fabric. This is a sweater with the Big Cinch It and make it instantly look better on your figure. So all you really have to do is, see how there's a hole in the Cinch It? You can go anywhere in the garment. You know what? I'm just going to go right here in the front. You go on the inside, you poke the fabric through the Cinch It, and I'm going to pull. And because this is thick or a lot of fabric, you need the Big Cinch It, and you pull it in, and look at that. Instantly, I create a waistline for myself. It looks cute, and now I just feel great. I can't wait to go out into the world and have people tell me how amazing I look. So listen, if you want to have some more tips on how you can instantly enhance the fit and style of any garment, go to my social media. I'm on Facebook, The Cinch It Style. I'm on Instagram with The Cinch It. Follow and sign up for my emails. I'd love to connect with you. Listen, cinch it, baby, and have a great day.